Time for action, unlocking its meaning and use. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an exciting phrase that you've likely heard or will hear in various contexts. Time for action. This expression is not just about words. It's about setting a mindset and getting ready to move forward. So, let's break it down and understand its significance and how you can use it effectively in your conversations. At its core, time for action is a motivational phrase used to signify that the moment has come to stop planning, stop deliberating, and start doing. It's a call to arms, in a manner of speaking, urging individuals or groups to move from the planning stage to the execution phase. Key components. Time. Here, it refers to the present moment, indicating immediacy. 4. This preposition links the moment with the need to act, showing a transition from thought to action. Action, the crucial part of the phrase, highlighting the need to take concrete steps or measures. This phrase is often used in contexts where there has been ample discussion or preparation, and now, the focus shifts to implementing those plans. Time for action finds its place in numerous scenarios, from personal goals to professional projects and social movements. Let's explore a few. Personal development. When setting personal goals, like fitness or learning a new skill, there comes a point where planning must turn into doing. Saying, "It's time for action," can be the motivational push needed to start the journey. Business and work. In project management or team meetings, this phrase signals the end of the planning phase and the start of execution. It's a way to motivate the team to begin working towards the set objectives. Social and political campaigns. Activists and leaders use time for action to mobilize supporters and initiate change. It's a powerful call to address issues directly through actions rather than just words. When you hear or say, "It's time for action," it's essential to be prepared for what comes next. Here are a few tips. Be prepared. Ensure you have everything you need to start acting on your plans. Stay motivated. Keep reminding yourself of the importance of the action you're about to take. Act. The most critical step is to follow through. Take that first step, however small it may seem. Time for action is more than just a phrase. It's a mindset that can lead to significant changes in personal life, work, and society. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize those moments in your life when it's time to shift from planning to doing. Remember, every great journey begins with a single step, and sometimes, all we need is a little nudge saying, "Now is the time for action." Thank you for watching. If this video has been helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more content like this. Let's keep learning and growing together.